Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Dear student, this is our second online English lecture for class 3. In our today's lecture, we discuss the present simple tense in detail. Present indefinite tense. The definition is we use the present simple tense to talk about habits, permanent situations and general truths. हम द प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस को आदात, मुस्तकिल सूरत हाल और आम सच्चाई बताने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं। उर्दू में पहचान। द प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस की निशानी ये है कि उर्दू फ़िक्रे के आखिर में ता है, ती है, ते हैं वगैरह आता है। बट यू शुड फर्स्ट वन थिंग यू शुड कीप इन योर माइंड इज दैट द फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ द सेंटेंस। द फार्मूला इज फर्स्ट द सेंटेंस स्टार्ट विद द सब्जेक्ट, then first form of verb and the last the object of the sentence. In present indefinite tense we always use first form of verb. For example, my father stays at home on Sunday. मेरे अब्बू इतवार को घर में रहते हैं। Other one is farmers plow the fields. किसान खेतों में हल चलाते हैं। Now we discuss present indefinite tense in detail and how to make positive sentences. In order to make positive sentences, you just keep one thing in your mind is that the subject of the sentence. If the sentence start with the subject you, they, we, I and plurals, then we use first form of verb and then object. And if the subject start with he, she, it, a singular name, then use first form of verb and we add first form and we add s and es with first form of verb and then object. How to make negative sentence? But first we discuss the formula of the negative sentence. In the negative sentences, the sentence starts with subject and after subject we use do and does not and then first form of verb plus object. But in negative sentences we don't use s or es with first form of verb. In negative sentences, if the subject starts with he, she, it and singular person, we use does not and then first form of verb and plus object. And if the subject start with you, they, we, I and plurals, we use do not in the sentence and then first form of verb and plus object. For example, I do not insult my friends. मैं अपने दोस्तों की बेइज्जती नहीं करता हूँ. In the sentence, the subject is I, so we use do not. He does not learn his lesson. वो अपना सबक याद नहीं करता है. In this sentence, the subject is he, so we use does not in the sentence. Now we discuss how to make interrogative sentences. And how to make interrogative sentences in the formula: bring do and does at the start of the sentence, at the beginning of the sentence, and then subject plus first form of verb plus object, and at the end we put question mark. Okay. In interrogative sentences, bring does at the start of the sentence and then he, she, and if the subject is he, she, it and Ali, use first form of verb plus object and at the end put question mark. If the subject starts with you, they, we, I and plurals, then bring do at the start of the sentence and then first form of verb plus object and at the end we put question mark. For example, do I cook a good meal? क्या मैं अच्छा खाना पकाती हूँ? We bring do at the start of the sentence and the end we put question mark. Does he ride a bicycle? क्या वो bicycle चलाता है? We bring does at the start of the sentence at the end we put a question mark. Students, now open your book page number 12. This is our book page number 12. Our exercise part E is make the negative of the following sentences. These are the positive sentences and you just change these sentences into negative. And the part F, now change the following sentences into negative. These are also the positive sentences and you can change the sentences into negative form. Part G, part H of this exercise is related to our today's lecture. You can practice this exercise at your home. I hope you understand my today's lecture. Now it's a time to say Allah Hafiz, stay safe.